Good morning, everyone. This is Srikanth Rajan, and welcome back to the Stock Market Podcast from MPIinvest.com. So, talking about the markets, we have already discussed a lot in yesterday's Market Pulse video. If you have not watched that, I would suggest you to watch that first and then come back to this video. So, as discussed in the podcast yesterday, the markets are seeing some bullishness thanks to the US market. So, we are expected to open with a big gap up, almost 100 plus points again. And but the big question again remains: will this sustain? So this is a week with just before Diwali. Diwali is on, starting from Sunday, and we have the Muhurat trading on Sunday. So with all that, the market can seem to be bullish this week. But like I've told earlier, also there is no fundamental reason why the markets have to be bullish about. Of course, one stock in focus would be SBI. So as discussed yesterday, SBI would be in focus. Well, personally, I'm not impressed, but of course, a lot of media saying that it is a good result, but then I'm not happy because their home loan lending has actually come down. So that's something which is not great. But then, of course, markets will react with the majority view. So for now, one thing that we need to can look at is, of course, Bank Nifty is something that needs to be looked out because there is a long pending rally left on HDFC Bank. And now with SBI's result, will HDFC Bank take a move is something that we need to see. So if that happens, then we can see a good movement upwards in Bank Nifty. So that can actually power the Nifty as well. So that is something that needs to be watched for this week. And of course, no major results left now. So most of the major results have come. It is just a few small companies that would come up. So Reliance, SBI, Infosys, TCS, the major big weights all come with results. So now it is time to kind of market to kind of consolidate at this point of time. So there might be again movement, but remember at this point of time, 100 or 200 point move is not a big thing because in terms of percentage, it is just about 0.5 to point within 0.5 to 1%. So which is not a great thing because we are now getting used to this level of 19,000 to 20,000 level. So at this level, this can be a common movement, and I don't think we need to worry about it. So that's how the markets are behaving right now. So let us see how the markets are going to open and then will it sustain. We'll discuss more about it on Wednesday because tomorrow being Tuesday, we don't have a podcast. So that's it for now. Wishing you all a great week ahead. This is Srikanth Rajan signing off until we catch up on Wednesday.